A full set of customized cleanroom equipment from Suzhou Pharma machinery has been fully packaged and shipped on schedule. Optimized for on-site working conditions after months of meticulous refinement, the complete solution covers core HVAC systems, stainless steel pass-through boxes, HEPA diffusers, clean air ducts, differential pressure gauges and premium internal cove designs. Featuring electronic interlocks and self-purifying function, pass-through boxes effectively block cross-contamination. High-efficiency sealing diffusers deliver 99.99% filtration for ultra-clean airflow. Precision differential pressure gauges provide real-time cleanroom safety monitoring. The dead corner-free cove design fully meets strict GMP standards. Every unit undergoes strict factory inspection. With 17 years of industry ingenuity, Suzhou Pharma delivers reliable, compliant and low-maintenance cleanroom solutions for global clients.